Collision insurance. Insurance is a auto coverage that reimburses the insured for damage sustained to their personal automobile due to the fault in the insurance driver. This type of insurance is often added as an extension for a basic automobile policy to protect driver in the event of damage for a collision. How collision insurance work? As the name implies, the collision insurance repays the insured for damage from an actual collision. It does not cover damage due to the theft or vandalism. It also does not cover the damage that is paid from another driver's policy. It is if the other driver was at fault. Collision insurance is a coverage that reimburses the insured for the damage sustained to their automobile when they are not at fault. This type of insurance is separate from the comprehensive automobile insurance company but often added an extension. When two drivers are in an accident, collision insurance pay for the damage and it will cover damage for path hole. And accidents involved in the inanimate object. Collision coverage is often expensive to purchase, but premiums may be lowered by choosing a 500 or higher deductible. Comprehensive auto insurance cover events out of driver's control. Collision insurance cover events within the driver control or when another driver hits your car. Collision coverage is very important for protecting your vehicle against the financial loss that's come with the financial damage to your vehicle. It's not hard to get into an accident. When an accident happens, someone is always at fault. That could be you. Collision insurance will cover damage from a collision with another vehicle, or tree, pole, guardrail, and most other possible roadway hazards. Quick factors. Collision insurance. Collision collision insurance can be bought only in conjunction with liability and comprehensive coverage. Collision insurance repairs damage when two vehicles in drive or reverse collide with each other. Collision insurance will cover damage to your vehicle if it hit ice and slide into an inanimate object. Collision cover pothole damage. Collision cover can be extensive, but people can save on premiums by choosing a 500 or higher deductible. Comprehensive versus collision insurance. The main difference between the collision and comprehensive coverage down to the question of what the driver controls. Collision insurance will cover event within the motorist control or when another vehicle collides with your car. Comprehensive coverage generally fall under act of God or nature or things that are typically out of your control when driving. Things can These can include events such as a spoke deer, heavy hailstorm, or carjacking. Let's use the aftermath of the major storm to illustrate the difference between collision and comprehensive. Within the storm, let's consider two hypothetical events. First, a heavy telephone pole was blown down and fell on your track. Or second, you screwed to avoid a falling tree and wound up crashing into a guardrail. In the first event, you couldn't control when, when or why tree fell on your car. This kind of accident would get reimbursed under your comprehensive policy. In the second situation, you were driving the car and ultimately slid into the guardrail. It make it this make it collision, and collision insurance pays for the damage.